Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. We will be diving into the world of online translation jobs, specifically with the Keleny Translation Company. The Keleny Translation Company, based in Montreal, has a long-standing reputation for excellence. To explore the available job opportunities, all you need to do is click on the Careers button located on their website. You'll find detailed information about the application process and the necessary steps to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.